So finally we arrive this Nal Sarovar lake. So it is one of the Ramsar site. So this lake we are visiting with 6 colleagues from SSG. So if you can see the water is not too much deep, and it is nearly 150 50 square kilometer, and it is not deep. It is very shallow in nature, but this is Dr. Shirak. He also enjoying so much. Backside of Proful Bhai and backs of Janti Bhai, and he is Ballabh Bhai. He is one of the part of this forest department. So you can see the shining of the sun with nearly 4 p.m. and it is very fantastic and very amazing. You can see here.